Hello, my positive vibers in the house. Join in. Let's make potato pie. Very yummy and delicious recipe. First of all, I went and picked my sweet potatoes. Depends on the kind of sweet potato you have. I know we have the red, we have, I think this one is called the white one. Yeah, so this white one is the one I will be using for this recipe. Reason being that it is the one that is readily available in my location. I'm going to be washing the potatoes because I am baking them. You are just going to carry your fork and just make some holes around the potatoes. You can make it side by side or all around. It's still fine. It's just going to make the whole work easier for you. Then you put it in the oven. I'm just using 2 large potatoes for this. Then for my pie crust, I will be putting flour, followed by baking powder. I'll be adding in my salt, just a pinch of salt. Then I'll go in with my egg. After putting the egg, I will give it a very good mix. Then I add water, a very cold water, okay? Your water should literally be from the fridge. After that, you go in with unsalted butter. If you only have salted butter at your disposal, then you will just have to be careful with the salt, or at times you must not even put salt because of the level of the salt in your butter. Then you need it for a while. Keep it in the fridge, allow it to cool and rest, okay? Then I'm going to roll my dough into this round shape, put it in the pan. I'm just trying to make my pie crust right now. If you have a place to buy your pie crust, then it's as good for you, okay? But here I prefer making everything from home. Then I'm just going to be laying this just to make it so beautiful and attractive, because why? We eat with our eyes. Is that right? Of course, yes. All the positive vibers in the house will say, yes, Chef Jemmy, we eat first with our eyes. My potatoes in the oven has baked. Okay, you're gonna do this until it is very soft. Do not burn it. Do not burn it, okay? But make sure it is very soft. You can get the toothpick and press it in or put it inside and be sure it's so soft. Then you can go ahead and peel it just the way I am doing. Make sure you peel it while it is still hot, okay? After peeling it, you're just going to carry your whisk, just mash the potatoes and allow it to cool off for a while. Of course, yes, if you do not allow this potato to cool off, what will happen is when you put in your egg, because we're still using egg for this recipe. This one is butter, but when you put egg, it's gonna cook your egg and you will not like that. Then you carry your hand mixer. This part is very important. You mix it all together. Here is just the butter and the mashed potatoes. So you mix it on this is very, very soft. Here I just carried a spatula to bring down some of the parts, that decided to splash in the bowl. I am now going in with my milk. You just put a little at a time. Just put it little at a time and give it a very good mix. All the ingredients I used will be captured in the description of the video. Here I went in with my sugar, or you can add any sweetener of your choice. I used a white sugar. You can use brown sugar. You can use honey, anything at all, okay? So I put the remaining. Here I am making flour paste, which is the combination of flour and water, but I added more of the milk, okay, because I needed to be rich in taste. I needed to appeal to the taste bud, please. After which I am going to be putting in my nutmeg. If you're allergic to nutmeg, you must not put it. I put a pinch of salt and I'm still going in with the mixer to mix and mix and mix and mix until all the ingredients incorporate well. Finally, I'm putting the remaining milk, okay? Don't make it too watery, just this consistency is fine. And make sure you check the description of this video, because all the ingredients will be captured there. If you have any question, you can still drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply. I am now going in with the ultimate vanilla flavor. oh my god, this is a game changer. It depends on the kind of vanilla you are using, but you see this product I use is so nice and yummy. Then my egg, guys, I am going in with 2 eggs for this recipe. I'll put in the 2 eggs and mix it. There's no point whisking the egg because I'm gonna be using my mixer and it's going to do the good work for me. I'll still bring down the remaining parts because I am done. I have it just where I want it to be, guys. Can you see the subscribe button up there, guys? Please do want to subscribe to my channel, like the video, drop a comment. Then I'm going to bring out my pie crust, then I'll put in the filling, put it in the oven and allow it to bake for at least 40 minutes on a low heat. If you're using an electric oven, then yeah, just know how to navigate. And our yummy sweet potato pie is ready. We are ready to eat. We are ready to enjoy. You can serve this with anything, tea or coffee or milk or whatever. But guys, this is so yummy. I don't regret trying out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this out. I have a lot of my people that are like, whoa, I have never heard of this recipe, Chef Jamie. But yeah, I have the recipe for you right now, so you can go try it out and let me know how it turns out. You can bake it until it turns golden brown like my own here, okay, because I didn't really want it that mushy, so I bake it until it is golden brown. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a blessed and a beautiful time. Bye guys.